What if I told you that AI could help you save over $10,000 this year? Sounds unbelievable, right? But with the right tools and strategies, it could be your reality. Let's dive into how you can leverage AI to transform your financial future. Welcome to Smart Money AI. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your personal finance management. From budgeting to investment tracking, AI tools can help automate and optimize your financial strategies. In this video, we'll compare traditional finance methods with AI-driven strategies, guide you in setting up these tools, and share real-life success stories of users saving thousands of dollars. So, if you want to take control of your finances, stick around. To start with, let's understand AI's role in personal finance management. AI can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than a human can, identifying patterns and making predictions. For instance, a study found that AI can improve budgeting accuracy by up to 30%. This means your financial forecasting can be more precise, which is crucial for effective money management. With AI, you can categorize expenses automatically, set financial goals, and even receive tailored recommendations based on your spending habits. By integrating these tools into your financial arsenal, you're not just keeping up, you're gaining a significant advantage. Now, let's compare traditional finance methods with AI-driven strategies. Traditional budgeting often requires manual entry and can be prone to human error. On the other hand, AI-driven tools like Mint or an app can automate these processes, allowing for real-time tracking. For example, users of Mint report saving an average of $800 annually through better tracking and budgeting. Not to mention, the time you save allows you to focus on other important aspects of your financial life, like investing or saving for retirement. So, how do you get started with AI tools for budgeting? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose a budgeting app that suits your needs. Mint, in-app, or Pocket Guard are great places to start. Next, sign up and link your bank accounts. Most of these apps use bank-level encryption, ensuring your information is secure. Then, categorize your expenses. These apps can do this automatically, saving you time. Finally, set your budget goals. For example, if you aim to save $5,000 this year, allocate specific amounts each month towards savings. By following these steps today, you'll have a smart budgeting plan in no time. Tracking investments and expenses is crucial for financial success, and AI can help streamline this process. Tools like Personal Capital not only track your spending but also analyze your investment portfolio. For instance, users have reported an increase of 15% in investment returns after using AI-driven insights from these tools. To get started, simply create an account, link your investment accounts, and let the app analyze your holdings. You'll receive personalized recommendations on how to optimize your portfolio, ensuring you're not leaving money on the table. Let's look at some real-life case studies of individuals who have harnessed AI to save thousands. Take Sarah, for example. After using an AI budgeting tool, she was able to identify hidden subscriptions and unnecessary expenses, saving her $2,400 in just 1 year. Similarly, Tom used an investment tracking app and received alerts on undervalued stocks, leading to an additional $5,000 in gains. These stories illustrate that with the right tools, anyone can achieve significant financial savings. Another powerful application of AI in personal finance is credit score improvement. Tools like Credit Karma use AI to monitor your credit score and provide personalized recommendations. Users can see an increase of up to 50 points in their credit score simply by following these tailored suggestions. To leverage this, create an account with a credit monitoring service. Regularly check your score and follow the advice provided. Whether it's paying off debt or disputing inaccuracies, AI can guide you on the path to a healthier credit score. Automating your savings can also lead to significant financial benefits. Apps like Capital allow you to set rules for saving money automatically. For example, you could save $5 every time you buy a coffee or round up your purchases to the nearest dollar. This approach can lead to an unexpected $1,000 in savings over a year. To set this up, download Capital, establish your rules, and watch your savings grow without any extra effort on your part. For those looking for a comprehensive financial plan, AI-powered tools like Wealthfront offer personalized financial planning services. These platforms consider your income, expenses, and financial goals to create a tailored plan. Users have reported saving an average of $3,000 a year by optimizing their financial strategies through these platforms. Start by creating an account and inputting your financial information. The AI will generate a customized plan that evolves as your financial situation changes. Tax season can be stressful, but AI can help maximize your tax savings. Tools like TurboTax use AI to guide you through the filing process, identifying potential deductions you may have overlooked. Users have saved an average of $1,500 by utilizing these AI-driven tax strategies. To optimize your tax savings, use TurboTax or similar software, answer the questions honestly, and let the AI find the best possible outcome for your tax return. Effective expense tracking is key to financial success, and AI tools can simplify this process. Apps like Expensify automate expense tracking by scanning receipts and categorizing expenses in real time. Users have found that automating this process can save up to 10 hours a month. To get started, download Expensify, upload your receipts, and let the AI handle the rest. This means less time managing finances and more time enjoying life. AI isn't just about managing money, it can also enhance your financial education. Platforms like Khan Academy offer AI-driven personalized learning paths in finance. Users can gain valuable knowledge that can lead to better financial decisions. Studies show that informed individuals can save an average of $1,200 annually by making smarter financial choices. To enhance your financial literacy, sign up for these courses today and start learning at your own pace. Planning for retirement can be daunting, but AI tools like Betterment can help simplify the process. These platforms analyze your financial situation and provide personalized retirement savings plans. Users have reported saving an additional $2,500 per year by following these AI-generated plans. To get started, create an account and input your retirement goals. The AI will guide you in adjusting your savings strategy as you age. So, how do you start leveraging AI in your personal finance today? Begin by assessing your financial goals. Choose one or two AI tools that align with those goals, such as Mint for budgeting or Betterment for investments. Set aside some time this week to set up your accounts and explore the features. Remember, starting small is the key to success. By taking this first step today, you're on your way to potentially saving over $10,000 this year. To recap, we've explored how AI can significantly enhance your personal finance strategy, from budgeting and expense tracking to investment management. These tools have the potential to save you thousands of dollars each year, making them an invaluable resource. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more weekly updates on AI and finance strategies. Your financial future is in your hands, and with AI, you can make it brighter than ever.